Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Mech Arena mod menu for free, available on both iOS and Android. This method unlocks all the best hacks, including unlimited A-coins, unlimited credits, God mode, unlimited ammo, and so much more. If you've been searching for Mech Arena hacks or Mech Arena++ download, this is the video you need. First, make sure your Mech Arena app is updated to the latest version. To check, simply head to the App Store or Google Play Store and confirm there are no pending updates. Once your game is up to date, you're ready to go. The next step is simple. Scroll down to the pinned comment below this video. I've included the exact link and instructions there so you can safely download Mech Arena++ and activate the mod menu. With this mod, you'll have access to unlimited A-coins and credits, God mode, unlimited ammo, and a variety of other powerful features that make gameplay way more fun. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.